glow from the screen in my room. Heartbeat racing when the music blooms. Every lyric feels like deja vu, like somehow you already knew. Voices echo through my headphones tight, turning dark days into neon light. Every step when the rhythm drops feels like gravity forgot. When the world gets heavy on my mind, your melody pulls me through the night. I'm dancing in the echo of your sound, lost but somehow finally found. Every beat keeps pulling me closer, like a compass spinning around. Even when the lights go down, your voices never fade out now. In every song, in every sky, I hear you calling through the night. Cloudy days, but the bass still hits. Every word like a spark that fits. Little pieces occurred inside, hidden in every line you write. Running fast, but I'm not alone. Every stage feels like coming home, even miles across the sea. Your music keeps finding me. Turn it up, let it breathe, let the moment ignite. Every scar turns to stars when the timing is right. We were lost in the noise, but the signal came through. Now the rhythm in my chest beats a little like you. No silence, no fear, just the sound in my veins. Every drop of the bass washing out all the pain.